In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear window switch on this Chevy Tahoe. Let's get into it. Underneath the bezel, we're just going to take a trim tool. You might want to use two. Just get underneath the front and the back. Just pry up. It is clipped in right there and right there. And we can disconnect the connector right there. Just push down on the tab and it slides right out. Take the new switch, line it up, push it in, line it up, line the bezel up, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.